What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not today, yesterday. I don't know what I'm talking about. Last video, that's what I meant to say. Last video, I said we was gonna work on this roll control. I did order the parts, but I didn't receive them all yet. Still waiting on a couple of fittings. So we're not gonna be able to do that. Which ain't a big deal because the truck's running lean and we won't be able to test it anyway properly. So we're gonna work on this window channel stuff here. I've had this sitting in the house for months and just ain't got around to putting it on. So today is the day. These channels are falling apart. You can see it right there. There's a big chunk missing up there. Y'all probably see that thing flapping in the wind in some of my other videos. Alright, I'm gonna start by taking the door panel off. We got some screws in here. And if your truck is like mine, you're probably missing some screws. So I got one in there, one here, and got that one. So we get all the screws out and get this panel off. Alright, we got the panel off. Here's my old rubber here falling apart. Thing just falling out of there. Alright, I finally got this old C channel out of there. Luckily, this is the piece that went down by the window. Luckily, it come out in one piece, not like the rest of it. But all of that come out in pieces. It was just crumbling. It's like hard plastic. It's not even rubber no more. So I'm pretty sure to get this thing off, you gotta move this up. I don't know if y'all can see the clip right there, or if you can get you a pick and actually hook that thing. I think you can pull it up. So there's a closer look at the clips. All I did was get my hook right there and just pull it up. And I got all the pollen off there. So now I can put it back together. I don't see no left and right on it.
Right there. This is RR.
So what is that? Right rear? This one's a RI.
RI? That's a L.
Oh, it looks like a dot.
Yeah, it's a dot.
GRI, bro. Let's just open this one.
What's the difference?
So that one, yeah, so one's one way and one's the other. That thing's alright.
Yeah, this thing right here. That thing's wide and you pushing all against it. Everything. It's tight. Trying to get it up in there. shit, so how you getting in down there?
We gotta use soap water and
Slide it.
yeah, we gotta leave this up. So
This plug, there's a plug right here. You got a hole right there? Yep. You got plug, that plug.
let it go that way.
Them not the ugliest goddamn, that's the ugliest fucking car I've ever seen. Just that tail light shit. This shit just, what the fuck is all that?
What are you talking about?
Is it a wing or a tail light? It looks like it's built in the tail light.
Oh, you talking about that's the car?
Yeah. This goddamn thing right here, that's the problem.
I don't remember having this much problems last trip. That window's gonna be tight.
Shit might be so tight.
It won't roll up.
Yeah, it's already slow. That one ain't gonna work. That passenger side over there goes to shift the brake.
Let the people see.
See people?
That's what we got. Now we just gotta soap these things up and try to slide them down in between the windows.
I'll tell you what, there is something up with your truck. You know why? Because you use a lot of soapy water on your truck. On everything. Soapy water, the exhaust, the window seals.
Shit.
I can see
Oh,
it.
dang.
Can I put my hand in it?
What if I roll the window up some?
Yeah, maybe try that. See what happens.
Look at you. Four arms should be. That goes on here, I believe. We still gotta get this thing out. Yeah, one goes one place and one goes. Here's the one I took off the outside. It says left and right on them though.
Does
Yeah. Well, it's different number. Like that's a L right there. Woo. She's getting warm, boys. Here's a new one of these. Boom.
I think it's what it's supposed to
Yeah, it's supposed to. I think this goes something like that. Just like it. And then the shit out of them. That's how you do it. You treat it like it's a Chevrolet. You gotta put some ass in it.
Put some ass in it, eh? Man, put some ass in it. Put some ass in it, man.
So we just bent these That's how we done that.
That's how we do things. So this just goes in like this. What's going on here? We're missing something.
The fuck? That's
It might not even be the right window rubber then.
here compared to this. It's the same.
What the hell is up with that? It's missing this whole thing.
Did you take something off down there?
Nah, I didn't do nothing.
I didn't do nothing. Nah, I think this goes up where the wing window is. So this just, it goes back here.
Alright. It's kind of weird.
It's kind of weird.
Oh, okay. It goes where those windows at.
Yeah.
This was good.
Alright. So that's brand new.
Look at that.
That's our connector. We need that.
What, this?
Yeah. That holds the connector on there.
Does it even work? What the hell is it? What the hell is even that?
What the hell is even that?
Chevrolets wasn't meant for these power locks and power windows and stuff. Look at that. They wasn't ready for all that. These things was built to have roll-up windows.
There it is. Oh.
And it sits there like that?
Just sits there like that.
That's a lot.
C10, baby.
So we'll hold, oh, you got screws, all right. I was wondering, we'll hold it. And just sit there, C10, baby. Next time I say, what's all that rattling shit we already know?
C10, baby.
C10, baby.
I don't have all the screws.
C10, baby. Look, he won't even take the piece off. Take that piece off. Why you gotta have that on there? Shit raggedy as all know what.
We ain't got time for that. That looks good. We ain't making a fashion statement. Look at the truck. We are done. Got the panel back on here. It's done, but now the window don't want to roll up and down because it's so tight. So one problem, fix one problem, you run into another one. So that's nice. Just more money. We'll just dump some more money in it. You can grab it with that hook and pull it off there. That hook down there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know about that.
I'm trying to tell you, if you use the hook.
That hook down there, I ain't using the hook. That's what you keep telling me to.
It would have come right off there.
That was that side. This side different.
Alright, we can go ahead and knock this side out real quick. This side's taking way longer. I think you jinxed this when you said this side's different. This thing,
I was only telling the truth.
it's definitely different. Alright, we just finished this side up. That was a workout. It was way tighter on this side. I don't know why. Well, I guess because it's different. Like he said, it's different. It's a different door. There it is. Looks a lot better. Is it perfect? No, it's not. But it should be better. we're gonna have to do something with the window regulators. I'm gonna have to buy some new ones, and I'll probably do away with the electric and get some roll-up regulators for it. There's the fat dog, fat lazy dog. Next time we'll probably do the line lock here. I'm still waiting on a couple of fittings, but hopefully by next time we'll get it. But yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.